Happy to you, sir. Okay.
You can see my screen.
I'm seeing your screen now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Show me what you are seeing.
I've seen it, sir.
I'm yet. Okay. This is what you are seeing.
Yes, your screen, your chat. I'm seeing your chat,
Okay.
sir.
So, which pair do you want us to use for the directional bias? First of all, good evening.
Maybe good evening, sir. Good evening,
Yeah,
sir.
my name is Franklin. Okay. So,
Um,
this is my first time using mentoring anybody on this directional bias. So I might not really be blunt or fluent the way you expect me to be, because I've never taught anyone
right,
before. So I will just try my best knowledge to pass what I know to you. So this chart
okay,
now, the chart you're looking at now, this is synthetic. So let me use the one you have
okay,
come
sir.
up with. This is synthetic. So let me use let's use this GBP JPY. So I will delete
Okay,
everything here so that it will be easy for you to understand better. Delete everything. Move on for drawing. So when I want to do my directional bias, I start from either daily or 4 hours.
Okay, sir.
Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I usually start from daily or 4 hours. It will help me see the structure, because directional bias, to my understanding, is basically structure. Are you with me? It's basically structure, but what is
Yes,
the
sir.
structure saying at a particular moment? That is where your bias comes in, your daily bias. So I start from daily or 4 hours. This is the 4 hours. This is the 4 hours. This is the 4 hours. Why this is the daily? So on the daily now, and I want you to know that market moves with liquidity. Are you with me? Now, what
Yes,
I
sir.
mean
Yes,
by
sir.
liquidity, when the market goes up, it's heading to clear a particular liquidity at a particular given time. So now all this thing here,
Yes, sir.
like this now. These are trendline liquidity. Are you getting me? Even before you start that, what is the market? What are you seeing in the market? Even without anything, what is this market saying? Is in an uptrend. Are you seeing it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is your higher high, higher low. Then this high didn't break any structure to the upside. It came down. Then it used this point of interest here to create a higher high, created a higher low, did a higher high. It swept this liquidity. Then this candlestick cleared all this liquidity down here. Like I said, market moves in, it uses liquidity to move. Then it created a higher high,
Yeah.
created a higher low, a higher high. As you can see, this market is an uptrend. So this is the
Yes,
last
sir.
This is the last low the market created here. This is the last low. And this is the last high. So what is the market going to do now? It has cleared all this liquidity here. Are you seeing it? It has cleared all this liquidity now. Tapped on this point of interest. So what is it going to do now? It's going to head to clear this liquidity. But before it clears this liquidity now, all these are internal liquidity. You are familiar with internal liquidity already. Do you know internal liquidity and external liquidity? Internal range and external range. Do you know about it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All those strong guys, strong lows.
Yes. All these are your weak highs, because this is not where the high is. This is the strong high now. This is the strong high that market needs to break. But this one is stronger because market is in an uptrend. If market should break this, you know that the trend has changed. So this is likely to break this one. So this is stronger than this. So now, if you look closely, you will see that there is a high here. And one thing about market, immediately it clears illiquidity, it tends to reverse. Are you with me? If you notice, immediately it cleared this high here, this liquidity here, you notice how it cleared, it came back inside to look for another point of interest that will push it up. Are you seeing it? Did you see it?
Yes, sir.
Now this is another high here. If you look closely again, you see another high here. Immediately it tapped. What happened? It came down. Are you seeing it? So now the market is going to clear this last high. All these are your internal range. They are all liquidity. So now the market is going to clear this now. Once it clears, it will come back. And looking at this thing now, it looks like a trend. It looks like a trend line liquidity. You know about your trend line liquidity. This looks like a trend line liquidity, which might be cleared out after this market clears this liquidity here. It might clear it now, come to look for a point of interest. I'll push it down around here. You know, all these are speculation. We are not markets. Anything can happen. You can decide to, you can use the point of interest around there. You can use the point of interest around there to clear this liquidity before buying. So now, since this is higher time frame, this is daily time frame, definitely won't be analyzed, because everything you are seeing here, they are all these candlesticks you are seeing here, they are all daily. You can't wait a whole day for all these things to happen. That's why we go to 4 hours. So now, from our daily time frame, what can we see? The market is moving to clear this liquidity here, right? It's already approaching it. Notice before the market even approached it, there was a pattern it was forming here. It will come down, tap on this trend line. It will go up, come back, tap on this trend line. All this now to tell you that you are all this place now, you can even know your directional bias from here. That anytime market comes here and tap on this trend line, you look for your normal structure, your point of interest, your structure, liquidity and point of interest on your lower time frame. Once it forms, you can take it, because this market now, this place, you can call it a directional bias, but this is a daily time frame, so it takes time. So from our daily time frame now, we already know what is happening here. So what do? We come to our 4 hours. Are you seeing everything I explained? See, this is that week, that last high that created. After I cleared it, came down. It went up again. After I cleared this one, it came down again. Are you seeing it? So now the market is trying to clear this now. After clearing it now, it will either tap on this point of interest, or it will come down before pushing up, because now there's nothing to hold it here. There won't be anything to hold it here because this liquidity has been cleared. So it will push up, nothing to hold it again. Are you with me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So now, from the look of this chart now, you can see that the market is an uptrend. It's in an uptrend. So you wait for this market to come around this point here. It should be a point of interest around there. That if market should come down and tap around there or use this breaker block around there, you know what breaker block is already.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So the market might move with breaker block after it comes down to this point. So now, since we know where the market is heading, that market is heading up. So we won't be looking for any sell around there because we are not sure what the market wants to do. If we want to clear or tap here and come down. So what do? We wait. That is how we go to our lower time frame, which is the 1 hour. On the 1 hour now, what do we have? If you zoom in, are you seeing what is happening here? Are you seeing what is happening
Yes, it has created.
Now, the market is currently trying to clear this liquidity here because it came here, but it didn't clear it. It just tapped, but the liquidity is still there. Are you seeing it? It just tapped. It has not fully cleared it
Yes,
yet. So there's possibility that the market might still continue buying until it clears this liquidity, then come and tap us in and use this breaker block here. It might use this breaker block. Might come and tap us around here. Now, basically, you won't be looking for anything sell for now. You won't be looking, all you'll be looking for is buy. All you'll be looking for is buy because you might decide to sell from here, this other block here.
Okay.
Are you seeing this other block now? Now, what did this other block? It gave us. Now, this is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Then this is the last high, right? Now, this candles, this that block now, it broke this last low. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing this last low here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It broke this last low now and gave us our inducement. Because inducement happened after a break of structure. Are you seeing it?
Yes, sir.
Now, this trade now, some people will see that and be like, this is a clear sell because it has a break other block here, break of structure, inducement, and point of interest. Now, this is for some people, this is a clear setup for a sell, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, but since you already know where the market is heading, this trade might not hold because the market is clearly bullish. So now you might take this trade now, it will hit you out. Immediately hit you out. That is where it will clear this liquidity here. The liquidity stay around here. It will just take you out and maybe probably come to all this angle. There you'll be like, this trade hits me out and continue going to my direction. Because it might do something like this. It might do something like this now. It will tap you in there. You'll be like, this is going to my direction. Then it come here. It will tap you out. Clear this liquidity lie on top of this place. Then what will happen? It will now come down to this place. You'll be like the market took you out before going to your direction. But meanwhile, it was this liquidity that the market is setting to come and clear, to come and peak. Are you getting me? Now, since
Yes, sir. Yes.
Since our directional bias is showing us clear, what's it called? Clear trend that the market is bullish and the directional bias is buying. Are you getting me? Now all this liquidity has been cleared. You see how all the liquidity kept clearing. Once it cleared to come down, once it cleared to come down. Even say I'm looking at this self that it has been clear like this self. The way I'm looking at it, for the market to touch this part, it might look like it has cleared. But to be on the safer side, anytime any price is approaching any liquidity, don't try to look for a buy. Just hold on for it to retrace. After retrace, you can start looking for a buy when the market is in an uptrend. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Even this place, there is small this thing here. There is small liquidity here that was taken out. This liquidity here, immediately it took it retraced. You see that when it got to this place again, nothing to hold it again. It cleared. Even this one itself, there's a liquidity here that it took out after it took it out. So if market moved from liquidity to liquidity, after it took it retraced before it cleared this one above, then came down to clear all this liquidity too. So it's liquidity that fuels the market. So once a liquidity has been cleared out, you should know where you should be aiming for, if it is buy or a sell. But for this trend now, this thing is overall bullish. So anything you are looking for, you should be looking for buy. Anything you are looking for, you should be looking for buy. All this place now, there are buy opportunity around all this place. Are you with me? So that's just
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
what directional bias is. Then to be on the safer side too, there's another thing again. I want to use one of these things to do example.
Okay, sir.
Now you'll be wondering why this other block didn't hold. It's just because he wanted to clear the liquidity on that. Immediately cleared. If you notice now, the market started going your direction. But you'll be like, this thing took me out and started going my direction. Meanwhile, there was liquidity lying on that. So now to be on the safer side, anytime you see your entry, let me map it out. This is where everybody will take their trade normally. Because there is another block here. There's another block here. Then It broke this structure, first the thing cleared all this liquidity first of all. So either you can use this as your, because this is the pullback it gave before trying to go up. So now, to be on the safer side, let me remove all these things. So now the market is coming down. Then tap on your this thing. Let me remove this thing. Now, since you know that there is liquidity line under here, you don't need to jump into the trade like that. Just go to your lower time frame. It has tapped, right? So you go to your lower time frame.
Yes, sir.
What are you looking for in your lower time frame? You're looking for your normal structure,
Market structure.
liquidity, and point of interest. So this now, it has tapped on this your other block now. Now, is there any market structure MSS here? Market structure shift. Is there any market structure shift here? No, you can't go in like
No,
this
sir.
now because there's
Yes,
no
sir.
market structure shifts, no break of structure, nothing. So you just keep looking at it like this. See, no market structure shift here. No market structure shift yet, because this is the last. This was the last high. This was the last lower high that was created. Yeah. Now this will help you minimize unnecessary losses. So if it breaks there now, you know you are completely bullish. You can now go in. So let's see. Are you seeing it? Instead of to break this thing
Yes,
now,
sir.
it's coming back down because to show that you are still bearish. That other block was just a reaction. None of all this high has been broken yet. It's created a new high, but this high now, this
Swing guy.
this high now didn't break this structure. This high didn't create, to show this one is weak. So even though it breaks itself, don't still pay attention to it because it's a weak high. This is what you should be paying attention to, this one here, because this is the one that that broke structure here. Now we'll continue. Are you see how this market would have taken you out if you took this buy from here? Are you seeing how it's coming down?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's like to have taken you out. Then for those that trade without any direction, they will just quickly hop on sell. That since it has broken this other block, that means this other block has turned to a breaker block. They will jump into sell, hoping for this breaker block here to hold. Hoping for this breaker block here, other block here to hold. They will now put this thing like this. That once market gets here, it's going to sell. Are you seeing what happened? It just hits you out immediately. Then started going to your direction. All this kind of stuff. Now you start feeling like somebody's against you, like somebody's watching you. So now this what is it called? This low now has created a break of structure to the downside. Are you seeing it? So this is a strong
Yes, sir.
high now. You see that are you saying that immediately cleared this liquidity here? It came down. Are you seeing this liquidity?
Yes, sir.
Immediately cleared it.
Yes, sir.
Because market moved from liquidity to liquidity. Now this other block broke. This other block now broke this high. Let's see if it will close above it. It's closed above it now. This is our inducement. If it should go back again. So this is our other block now. If you still want to be on the safer side, after market tap here, you can still go on the lower time frame. Now you've confirmed your 1 hour order block, right? You've confirmed your 1 hour order block from
Yes,
the
sir. Yes,
time frame. It has given you a break of structure. I think this thing is giving me time. I have timing. So it has given me a break of structure. So now we see if the market can come back and tap on this other block.
that block.
Remember liquidity. So you keep your this thing, just immediately below the liquidity. This is 1:5. So let's see if it will come back and tap. That means this was the liquidity came to clear here. This is the liquidity came to clear. So this has given us the stop loss. That is why I said to be on the safer side. Even after a tap, you can still go on the lower time frame to see if there's a break of a market structure shift on the lower time frame before you take the order. Although this strategy, it will give you more win rates, but also you can also have a lot of mixed entries because you are looking for confirmations. But at least your losses reduce. This was where it tapped. This was where it tapped. Let me remove the last candle. Let's go to 5 minutes. Now this gave us a inducement. Now it tapped on our other block. Before we enter, we want to see a market structure shift. You see that this thing is not valid. This what is it called? That other block is not valid. So now let's see if this breaker block will be valid. We enter only if we see a market structure shift.
Breaker block.
A breaker block, or let's see if it will tap. It could be that there is news around all this place. That's why all this spike is happening here. All this long spike. It could be that there is news around all this place. Because the way they are moving very fast.
But I heard that, sorry, sir, like news only boost the market.
What's that?
Like the news only boosts the market. It only gives the direction, like momentum.
Yes,
So
that's what news does, because now more people are going to be trading a particular pair.
Yeah, yes.
Because there are some people that is only what they trade, news. They already know what is going to happen on the news. They already know. For instance, now they know that let's say there's an election now. They already know who is going to win based on the campaign and everything. So if they know if this person should win, it's going to boost this economy of this. Let's say like Trump now. If Trump should win, definitely dollar will have more value in the sense that more people will want to invest in dollar. You get, leading more people to buy. So any pair that is merged with USD, yeah, we start pumping in the favor of USD. Are you getting me? Only when there's a negative effect on the particular pair. Let's say CPI now. Let's say what is this one that has to do with the employment rates? NFP. Is it NFP? No, is it NFP that has to do with the employment rates? So now that one now, let's say the employment rate is poor. You get, so definitely this will make investors panic and remove their money from the currency, from the country. What's it called? Currency. Are you getting me?
That's how it is.
Yeah. So, but if the employment rate is good and more people are getting more joy, it means good progress for the this. Even more people want to invest in that country, especially US. So that's how this news affects markets positively or negatively. So we are still looking for this thing, because we know that we are what is it called? We know we are bullish, but we are still looking for an entry, because you can't just buy now. You have to look for an entry.
Yes, sir. But it's like, sorry, sir, I saw a trend line liquidity on the 15-minute time frame.
This one?
No, on the 15-minute time frame, sir.
This one, yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe that's what is cleared that made us see that stop loss. So I believe
that is what it's clear.
That
This is the POI.
This POI here, Abi.
Yes, sir.
It didn't tap. So let's see if it will still come back and tap the POI. But you understand market bias now?
Yes, sir. Because I didn't know how to use all those trend lines for my market bias, all those.
Basically, you already know how to use your normal market structure sheets, inducement, and point of interest. It's only bias that was POI, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, with that knowledge about
I
market,
will cut like I caught like, is it not go today, buy good. I caught the buy.
good buy or sell.
Buy.
Good now. All time.
Let me show you, sir.
All time is bearish. I already did that. I don't know if I saved it though. But gold was
all time bearish.
All time bearish. This is, I don't know if this one now. This is one directional bias I did. Are you seeing this bias? Now it was in an uptrend.
Yes, sir.
Then it started giving you downtrend. While creating downtrend, it was giving you a liquidity, trend line liquidity on the upside, which means market to clear all these things. So after it tapped on this daily, or I don't know, okay, this is volatility. This is in this synthetic. So this is the highest they have. So I don't know where this thing tap, if it is weekly or monthly. So now after it tapped here, it broke this last high here. After it broke it, it didn't come down. It used this breaker block around there to move up. So now what are you going to be expecting from this market? Is going to clear all this trend line. So
Trend line liquidity.
This trend line liquid. Let's see the current. This is on the when did I do this thing? It was this same bias. It was this same bias. I think it was this same bias I used to catch this trade. This trade now. Because I already know where the market is heading to. So this was on July 12th. So let's check this thing now. This is volatility 25.